Are you interested in the foundations you need to safely start investing and building passive income? Hi everyone, I'm Csongor from Market Addict, and today we are laying the cornerstone for your fortress of financial stability. What do you actually need to start investing and build your own money factory? Well, obviously, you need extra money and some fundamental knowledge. Unfortunately, many people grow up in families where financial literacy isn't practiced. The foundation is weak, and they carry this pattern with them. That's why financial awareness is something you must learn. I recommend a book that is specifically on this topic and serves as an excellent starting point. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. One of his quotes describes this situation perfectly. The poor and the middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. Of course, initial hard work is unavoidable for those who weren't born into wealth. To have your money work for you, you first have to create that money. So what should you do in practice? Learn. Choose a high-paid profession. Make as much money as possible in the beginning. When you are young, don't be afraid of work. Don't grudge the time, because a few years of hard work is the price of later freedom. Every role model you have started with hard work. None of them had a goal of achieving financial independence or free money without effort. That was simply the byproduct of their labor. Once you have a good salary, create a budget. Plan your financial year and your financial month. Calculate your fixed and mandatory expenses, bills, taxes, etc. and set that money aside immediately. Try to cut back on your recurring costs. For example, you don't need subscriptions to 3 different streaming services. Don't take out loans for gifts, household appliances or phones. With a little saving, these can be bought with cash, so you won't be dragging debt behind you. Financial awareness even makes you healthier, because you won't be spending money on smoking, drugs or drinking. Those are just unnecessary expenses. If you don't have an emergency fund for at least 6 months yet, set aside a fixed amount every month until you have enough to cover half a year of unexpected expenses or sudden unemployment. Of course, have a reasonable budget for entertainment as well, but don't let that be the focus. Now that you've sorted out your finances, have your emergency fund and a monthly budget, the first amount you set aside should be for investment. Start building the walls of your money factory, but only if you've educated yourself first and done your homework. I recommend 2 other foundational books that teach the basics of investing. Even the famous Warren Buffett learned the basics from these. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Through these, you will learn 2 different perspectives on the best ways to select stocks. You will learn how to evaluate and filter these stocks. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Stock picking isn't exactly for beginners. Fortunately, beginners have it easy too, thanks to ETFs. These gather a group of stocks into a single basket, giving you a diversified portfolio instantly with the purchase of one ETF. This reduces your risk, but as the economy grows, the value of your investment grows with it over the long term. The one downside to ETFs is that among the stocks that contain, some will perform very well and some poorly. So you will get an average return. With individual stocks, you have the chance to outperform the indices. Or if you are not thorough or trained enough, you might underperform. Therefore, for a beginner, ETF investing is the best choice. If you have bigger ambitions, keep educating yourself, and once you are confident and experienced enough, you can start adding 1 or 2 individual stocks to your portfolio. Thank you for being here with me. In the next video, we'll lay down the next cornerstone, the psychology of stock market and investing. Before we dive into the practical side, please subscribe for more valuable content. Bye.